Hello guys and welcome to my channel today. In today's video I'll be showing you how I mark my zones and key levels, how I identify them so that I can wait for price to get there and then enter a trade, or I even set up my limit order. Alright, so what I do is I start from the weekly time frame to do my analysis, and this is been 1000 index I'm considering right now. Alright, so I go to the weekly time frame. Then as you can see, the market has been bearish for a while. The market has been bearish for a while and it's trying to reverse, though there's no actual break of structure so far yet. So the market is still bearish at the moment. All right, so now how do I mark out my key levels? What I do first is I look at areas where the market has reacted to, and these areas must be close to the current price. So like here now I can see that market has been reacting to this level here. There's a level here. If you see where the current price is, market has been reacting to this level, and also so this level also, and this level, you see they're it's almost the same level that the price has been reacting to. So we know that is a strong level and we need to mark out our zone. So you look for a tool to mark out our zone. So I basically use this box tool to draw my zone. Meanwhile, first of all, I would like to zoom out complete, a kind of zoom out complete, to actually get the points. Well, so this is what I will do. I zoom out, sorry, and come here. I mark this out just like this, and from what I've marked out, you can see that price has reacted here, 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 and then a lot of reactions within around this zone also. Oh, sorry, I've moved it. All right, so after identifying this zone, the next thing I will do is to go to, sorry, mistakenly moved it. The next thing I will do is to go to the lower time frame. Meanwhile, I need to also mark the zone above the price and below the price. Then from what I'm seeing, I can see now that the price, there's been a reaction around this zone also. It's been a reaction around this zone also. That's another zone. You can mark it this way. You can see that price reacted here, 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 here. Yeah, mind you, we are on the weekly time frame, so there's been a lot of reactions right there. All right, so the next thing I will do is to go to the daily time frame. That's a lower time frame, to mark out zones there also, and also refine these ones that we've drawn already. So I'll go to the daily time frame, and this is what we have on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame here, you can see those zones we marked out, they are still clearly shown. Then what we'll do is to zoom into the market a little, or even without zooming in. I think I need to zoom in so you can see clearly. All right, so you can see that there was a reaction. There have been reactions around these zones in the market. You know, like market has been reacting to these zones like this. See, somewhere like this. There's been a reaction in the market. Market has been reversing when it gets to this zone. So if I use that horizontal, maybe the box or this tool right here, I can do something like this, because market has been reacting to this zone on the daily time frame. Guys, you can see that. So now that I've marked that, I can also see market has been reacting. This is another level. Okay, this level here is far below where the current price is. I won't even bother going down here. I'll leave that for now. And I can also see that market has been reacting. Look at this place. Yeah, market has been reacting, but it's not too significant. I'll ignore it. All right, so then I'll go to the 4 hourly time frame. This is the 4 hourly time frame, guys. So on the 4 hourly time frame, you can see that that we have these zones we marked are still evident here. We can see them very visible here. We can see them. All right. So on the 4 hourly time frame, we can also find zones to mark if there is any. You can find zones to mark if we find any. And I think this is a nice zone right here. This is another zone right here that price has been reacting to. Let me get the horizontal stuff to draw again. You see, so there is a chance that once this price coming down gets to this place, it is going to react. It's going to spike up, guys. So that is it. We just need to mark where we've seen reactions in the market, and those are the major zones in the market, especially in the on the higher time frames. All right, so I would, after marking this, what I will do next is to go to the hourly time frame. To go to the hourly time frame, the 1 hour time frame, and also see if there are any key levels there to mark. Well, I can't really find the key level. What I can see are just channels, and if I would want to draw trend lines, but I don't want to draw trend lines here. I'm only marking the key levels in the market, key levels for now. All right, so now let's work on these things that we've marked so far, guys. How do I use this to trade? How do I trade with these levels I've marked? What I do is I wait. Like now the price is coming down to this level. Once price gets to this level, I wait to see the reaction of the market. If I notice that there is a spike in this, once the price gets here, I'm expecting a spike to happen at this point, at this level. So once the spike happens, I go down to the 15-minute time frame to get a confirmation entry, to get the confirmation so that I can enter the market. Either the market will form, I will see a bullish engulfing. I will see either a bullish engulfing, or how do we call it? This pin bar candlestick pattern that indicates that the market is going to be bullish. Or maybe I would see a double bottom here, or maybe I will see an inverse head and shoulder pattern at this level. Once I find those patterns or candles, either the chart pattern or the candlestick pattern at this level, what I do is wait for the break of the neckline, then I enter my trade, and we would expect the market to go up to this level, to come to approach this level, guys. So that is how you do it. That's how you trade it. I'm telling you guys, that's how you trade it. You just wait for the market. Like if we were here, we saw when the market got to this level, what we will do is to wait and see the reaction of the market at this point, see what is going to form, because there must be formations around it that will cause it to come down. If we go to the lower time frame, like 15 minutes or 5 minutes, okay, 15 minutes, then we see that the price has formed a head and shoulders pattern or a double top here, guys. That's a confirmation that the market is reversing, because that's a reversal pattern. Those double tops and double bottoms and head and shoulders pattern, they are reversal patterns, telling us that the market is going to reverse. So if this price gets here, I enter my trade and wait for it to get back to this point, then I make good money. If you can hold the trade and allow it to get to this level, you make good money. Of course, you need to monitor. Perhaps you cannot determine what the market will do. You may not want to get up to this level. You might want to maybe get to this level somewhere here, then come back down. But before the market even gets to this level, you must have made so much money, guys. You must have made so much money, guys. So we need to understand all these little things. They are the very simple things. The only thing is that the way they were presented to us when we started trading made it seem so complex that you cannot trade to make profit, or all those big terms. They get us confused. There are very simple ways to trade, like what I've just shown you. What you do is just mark out your key level. After marking out your key level, your key zones, then you wait for price to get to that zone. once price gets to that zone, you wait for you go to a lower time frame to look for a candlestick pattern or chart pattern that indicates reversal. Once you get, like, I mean, the double bottom like this or the double top, once you notice this pattern or the head and shoulders pattern, once you notice them on that zones, around that zones, know that the market is reversing, and you make good money because you are analyzing this market from a higher time frame, and you know, you have an idea of where the market might be possibly heading to, how long it might be heading down or up depending on the trend, guys. So that is just it. So maybe we should touch another market to see. Let's go to another market. So alright guys, on crash 1000 index, also on the weekly time frame, we can see that price got to this level. Price got to this level here. Price got to this level and reacted. You see, it reacted when it reversed here. You see, and there are a series of reactions here. Like it's trying to consolidate, still reacting to this zone. So it got to this level and it reacted this way. Then it got to this level. Now this is another one here. So now what I want you to understand is that once price gets to, on this higher time frame, once price gets to where it formed the swing, the previous swing point, it must react. If price gets to this level, once price gets to this level here, there must be a reaction. I mean, this point here, we'll see a reaction. See here, like this, we'll see a reaction here. Once price gets to this point here, also we'll see another reaction, because these are major points on the market and is on the higher time frame. So we can mark out these points and wait for price to get there, then we notice the reaction. Okay, now so if we want to mark out the same way we've marked on the 1000, we can just say this, and you see, let's see. So that is it. It's very simple, guys. It's simple. Just learn to mark out these things and wait for my price to get there. Just mark and wait for price to get to this level. Then you are good to go. You wait for the confirmation pattern, and then you go in for your trade. All right, guys. So now, if I go down to the daily time frame, let's see what we will have. See, it's been trending. It has been trending, and on a daily time frame, we have this support zone here. This is a support zone, very strong support, because market has reacted to this place about how many times? Let's see. Market has reacted to this zone here, and also here. So we can easily get our line. We can easily put in this horizontal line here again. A moment, I'm just trying to fix it up there. So you can see, to show the market that is reacting to that place now, guys. See, so that's another zone. It was previously a resistance zone, now it has turned support, so it's a very strong key level, guys. Then we wait for price to come back to this point, then we buy, or we wait for, now price has gotten to this zone, then we can expect a sell. Mind, it's not automatic, but these are zones of high probability. They are high probability zones, so we just mark them out. There's no guarantee that it will reverse, but there's a high probability that the market will reverse at this point. Mind you, we are still on the daily time frame. Let's go down to the 4-hourly time frame to see what happens. You can see now this is too large. This area we marked is too large. We can now refine it, because as the market progresses, the points are shifting. The points are actually shifting, so we can now decide to mark here like this, guys. See, no, you can mark here now. This will be the current point of interest, current area of interest, zone of interest, however you want to call it. You can see market reacted here, it reacted here, and reacted here. and this is on the 4-hourly time frame. So if market is going to reverse down, we don't know yet. We are still monitoring the market. Then we can go down to the maybe 1 hour time frame to see what happens. Guys, there is a chance that the market will fall, because what are we seeing here? We are seeing an evening star pattern, evening star candlestick pattern right here. Look at it here. This is an evening star candlestick pattern. Guys, this is what is happening, and that's what we are seeing at that point. So there's a tendency that the market might crash down any moment from now. All right, so that is it. This is a strong zone. This area is a strong zone, and that is why we need to take note of these things. If we mark them out on time and then we wait for market for the price to get to that level, then we go down to a lower time frame, like maybe the 15 minutes. Let me see 15 minutes, what happens on 15 minutes. On the 15 minutes, we look for a candlestick pattern. This is almost like a head and shoulder, sorry, double top here. Guys, let me show you. That is a double top right there. This the first top, and this is the second top, and it's selling already. So we can decide to conclude that the market will sell. Maybe once price gets to this small support here, it continues selling down, and this might be your first take profit, and this is the second take profit zone, and that is all, guys. So we just have to marking them. Open your chart, mark these zones on different markets, on all the markets available that you've added on your MT5 or your trading view. Mark them out. Watch out the action of market or price as it reaches these zones, and take note of them. Then try to trade on your demo account, gain mastery, then apply it on your real account, and you make good. This strategy can help you make good money on the internet, guys. Even like now on this crash 1000, you notice this point and you go down to check where the price might possibly go down to. So if we go to, hold on. So if we go to the maybe the 4 hours time frame, and you see where the price is currently, you can predict that the price will be coming down to this level. The price will be coming down to this level, guys. We cannot guarantee that yet, but we don't know because the market decides. But you can predict that the market can come even to react with this fair value gap that is right here, then reverse again, and that is good money. On the 4-hourly time frame, is if the price gets to this level, is good money, guys. All right, so let's practice and try to perfect our strategies so we can make money easily on the forex market. All right, guys, so please don't fail to like, share, and subscribe, and also comment on this video so that it can encourage me to do more. Thanks, guys. See you in the next video. Peace out.